Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the days of your life. So guys, I am back with another beautiful ideas about heart shape decoration ideas, heart shape decorations related to the wreaths designs. Wreaths properly used for front door decorations, used as a gift also. So if we discuss about this collection, in this collection you see the heart shape decoration video related to the wreaths designs and made of leaves, flowers and branches. It is typical festive occasion on a different day. Wreaths originally made and different ideas, handmade ideas. So thank you so much guys to watch my videos and to like the video, sharing my videos, explore a different ideas related to the wreaths designs of summers, some more ideas about summer wreaths designs, spring wreaths designs, the colorful ideas. Heart shape collection are most trending guys. Everyone searching the best YouTube channel that provide you the ideas of wreaths designs, and this theme is very creative. Wreaths for front door, fall wreaths design, door wreaths hanging ideas, wreaths decor ideas, tie floral hanging basket designs are also available on my YouTube channel guys. And this video and this decoration is very attractive, and I hope this video and this beautiful collection, enjoy the video, enjoy the collection on daily basis. Spring summer wreaths for front door, floral wreaths with colorful ideas, colorful leaves, colorful small berries in front of decoration ideas. The best and easiest ways to welcome the summertime is by decorating your front door with fresh and flowers. Decorating ideas of wreaths design in the form of heart shape. Heart shape, as you know, the symbol of love and joy. So thank you so much guys to watch my videos and to like my videos. The frame is so outlast, the color is so fabulous. How to decorate your porch area, I provide you the simple ideas guys. So don't miss the chance, watch my videos, like the videos, and flowers looking so beautiful, look so attractive, and I love a beautiful ribbons to add. And still not sure which type of wreaths will look best on your front door, but this video, this all collection is best for you, and best summer wreaths optional options are provided to you. Watch my videos guys and keep watching, stay with me and enjoy the videos that upload on my YouTube channel on daily basis. Keep watching, stay with me, take care and bye bye.